Let's discuss newest gadgets. For home and kitchen, all gadgets, links in comments and description. Let's start the video. The Comb 4-in-1 Smart Fingerprint Doorknob with Keypad is a versatile and secure solution for keyless entry, offering 4 unlocking methods: password, fingerprint, app control, and physical keys. And as such, it can be effective in various areas including bedrooms, offices, and garages. This smart lock is equipped with a biometric fingerprint recognition, where you can unlock your door in only 0.1 seconds. It has a memory of up to 18 fingerprints and 20 access codes, which can be easily shared. The smart app offers extra functionality, namely the ability to scan fingerprints, view unlock history, and set auto lock and privacy modes for the app if your smartphone is within Bluetooth distance. The auto locking feature guarantees your door is locked even when in a rush, while your data is saved locally to maintain privacy. Easy to install, accommodating most American doors, and there's a Type-C emergency charging icon for those instances where the battery dies out. Pros: instantiation comprises of fast and secure unlocking, multiple forms of unlocking, installation, and enhanced privacy. Cons: it is operable via Bluetooth for the app and runs on non-rechargeable AAA batteries. Next, the Fun Toothpick Holder by LiveLab is a more colorful and creative toothpick holder that can be placed in the kitchen or on the dining table to make it easier and more hygienic to dispense toothpicks. It is a cute shape and made of ABS material and clear acrylic, and is in the shape of a little figure for your hand washing. Its one-hand operation makes it possible to pull out a single standard toothpick at a time, and therefore the toothpicks remain clean and serve the intended purpose without being used up wantonly. Small in size and with the glossy black finish, it would be a cute addition to any homeware collection. Pros: practical and clean, reduces unnecessary losses, and creates an interesting atmosphere in the house. Cons: limited to standard toothpick that does not exceed 5 inches in length, and material is plastic, while others want environmentally friendly products. Next, the Flammtal tabletop fire pit is a classic example of modern furniture design that adds warmth and appeal of a campfire to the home. This fire bowl is ethanol-fired with no smoke, no odor, and no soot, making it appropriate for both indoor and outdoor uses. It is made of high-quality steel and borosilicate glass. It comes with 2 combustion chambers that provide up to 4 hours of continuous fire, and the flames are controllable according to the occasion. The sleek anthracite finish and the included black and white stones give an elegant appeal when placed on the dining table, terrace, or garden. Pros: the burning time is long, the flame is adjustable, and there is no smell or smoke, making it suitable for using indoors or outdoors. Cons: bioethanol is not included, and there might be more frequent refilling for extended events. Next, the BISSELL Pet Stain Eraser PowerBrush is worth it. This is a cordless powerhouse that comes packed with a 7.2V lithium-ion battery, which allows it to clean for as long as 20 minutes consecutively, making it ideal for spot cleaning. Its rotating dirt lifter PowerBrush gets down to the carpet backing and outperforms the original Spit and Shine registered trademark in removing dirt and stains, while the Oxwee formula eradicates tough stains. The fact that it comes in a ready-to-use formula saves a lot of time and effort of having to mix it, whereas the stationary pet tool is a bonus for those hard-to-reach areas. It is compact and highly portable with a carry handle for quick and easy transportation. Pros: the clutch is the cordless convenience, powerful brush, ready-to-use formula, and additional pet tool. Cons: modest 20 minutes of battery life and likely to drain battery while conducting many cleaning sessions. Next, presenting the Bear 2024 Baby Food Maker, an essential tool for parents who want to spend less time in the kitchen preparing food for their babies. This appliance functions both as a steamer and blender and is ideal for creating delicious homemade baby food without a lot of bother. As for its one-button function, they can just choose the settings available for vegetable, fruit, fish, or meat, where the machine will steam and blend to enhance the nutrition or taste. It comes with a 400 milliliters bowl, high-speed blades, and it has the self-cleaning feature for a faster processing of the food. It is also safe and accredited. It comes with a BPA-free Triton cup and has a water shortage reminder. Pros: eases cooking, functions with a blender, has a self-cleaning option, and is made of secure parts that are FDA/UL approved. Cons: needs to be plugged into 120 V AC power source and should probably be stored in a dry place when out of commission. Next, the Aquair 1/3 GP automatic submersible water sump pump is a smart solution for removing water from a pool, hot tub, or even a flooded basement rather quickly. This strong pump can pump as much as 2,160 gallons of water in an hour, thus ideal for dealing with that water accumulation emergencies. This is fitted with a smart electronic sensor that starts the pump as soon as water level reaches 1.5 inch and stops it as soon as the water level drops to 1/4 inch. It has a bottom suction design for easy cleaning of debris when pumping water and a thermocord to protect the motor from dry burning. It has a 10-foot power cord for power, 1 NPT discharge, and a 3/4 garden hose connection for a convenient pumping experience. Pros: a high flow rate, automatic operation, heat resistance, and ease of cleaning. Cons: needs a power source nearby and may require the user scooping out debris for the robotic part of the job. Next, efficiently control temperature safely and doubles up as a pet bed. Cons: ideal for small animals but may not aptly fit larger kinds of animals since it is relatively small. Next, top burner control dial knob range oven replacement. These replacement knobs are made to the highest standard to ensure that they fit well on Samsung gas stoves without any complications of installation or operation, since they are replicas in all aspects of the genuine knobs, but are relatively cheaper. These knobs are made of high-quality stainless steel and aluminum and have reinforced rings around them to prevent them from cracking, making the knob to be long-lasting, despite the fact that it may be used frequently. Pros: high resistance to extreme weathering and wear, increased strength, relatively simple to install, offers affordable solutions, and it's pleasing to the eye. Cons: does not perfectly fit black stoves. There is another model within the range for color matching. Next, Flammtal compressed air duster, a compact and refillable solution to the common compressed air cans that not only helps you remove dust from your electronics, but is also environmentally friendly. This electric air duster operates with a powerful 100,000 revolutions per minute motor and offers 3 levels of airflow regulation, ensuring a highly effective clean of office keyboards, desks, and even car interiors. This feature is truly a strength since it has 5 nozzles and 3 brushes, making it a highly useful cleaning equipment for different tasks like blowing charcoal, popular for barbecues, and blowing up swimming rings. The built-in LED light is standard here and can be used for cleaning dark corners, and the high-definition LED display here will show the remaining battery and the airflow speed. Pros: high torque motor, versatility as seen in the numerous attachments, environmentally friendly, economical, and additional features as seen in the LED light and display. Cons: it may have a short battery duration, which may necessitate charging during the increased cleaning period. Next, iVac Pro Touchless Vacuum, a perfect tool for maintaining impeccable cleanliness even without your interference. Powered by an impressive 1400-watt motor for an ultra-fast cleaning experience, it eliminates 100% dust, hair, and debris in a blink of an eye. As suitable for professional use in hair salons, pet grooming shops, kitchens, and small businesses, it is equipped with infrared sensors that turn the vacuum on as soon as it detects the presence of the sweeper near it without having to bend or touch it. Thus, the iVac Pro remains always on, and it is very effective for use in areas with a lot of traffic or crowd. High-efficiency filter also means not only cleaning the floors, but also filtering the air that is later returned to the environment. Pros: strong suction, touchless, easy to empty, HEPA filters, ideal for business use, and does not require bowing down. Cons: must be plugged in, lacks a built-in broom. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts in comments about this video. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.